Hello friends, in this video I am going to explain the definition of MSME. Okay, the definition of MSME, revised definition. We all know that in an economy, whether it is Indian economy, American economy or Japanese economy, in industries we can see large industries and small industries. In India, we call small industries as MSME. So for large industries, we can see the example of how the bikes are manufactured. So then whether it is two-wheeler or four-wheeler. So then here we have bag making or handloom industries. So these are the large and small industries. But in this video, my focus is on the definition of MSME. Friends, till 2007, MSME was known as small scale industries. So there was a separate ministry for small scale industry, Ministry of Small Scale Industry. And there was other ministry which was known as Ministry of Agro and Rural Industries. But on 9th May 2007, small scale industries and agro and rural industries were merged to form the Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises. It means today we call MSME, that is small industry, is known as MSME industry. Earlier, so that is before 2007, so this MSME was known as small scale industry, that is SSI. So today there is no small scale industry. So we call small scale industry as MSME. So then what is the definition of MSME? So in 2007, they gave one definition, but on 1st July 2020, very recently, the definition of MSME is changed. So that is revised. So today I will explain you the revised definition of MSME. So first we all know MSME. M stands for micro, S stands for small, M stands for medium. So micro, small and medium enterprises. So before 2020, that is 1st July 2020, so the definition of micro enterprise, small enterprise and medium enterprise was different for manufacturing concern and service rendering enterprise. But when it was revised on 1st July 2020, so the definition is same for manufacturing enterprise as well as service rendering enterprise. So first let us understand the definition of micro industry. So if anybody asks you what is micro enterprise, the answer is micro enterprise is the one where the investment in plant and machinery or equipment is not more than 1 crore and annual turnover not more than 5 crore. I think it's very simple to remember. So micro enterprise is the enterprise where investment in plant and machinery and equipment is, it should not be more than 1 crore and turnover should not be more than 5 crore. What about the small enterprise? So small enterprise is an enterprise where investment in plant and machinery or equipment not more than 10 crore and annual turnover not more than 50 crore. So this is the definition of small enterprise. How about the medium enterprise? So medium enterprise is an enterprise. Here the investment in plant and machinery or equipment not more than 50 crore and annual turnover not more than 250 crore. So this is the definition of MSME. Okay. So if anybody asks you, or the question in the exam is what is MSME or definition of MSME, you have to define micro, small and medium enterprise as well. So this is what is the definition of MSME. Okay, in the next video I will explain you how MSME is important, that is importance of MSME. Okay, thank you.